What's up, guys? It's your boy Down Discipline Trader, and today's Friday, the 23rd of July, day 4, I believe, of the verification. And guys, this is gonna be interesting. We're in a big drawdown. Today was another negative day. This week I've been on the wrong side of every single trade almost. There really hasn't been um, a great week at all. It's been a while since I've had a negative week, and yeah, this one was a very negative week actually. Um, Currently, let me tell you guys how I am. Currently, -6%, almost -6% on this verification. Today we lost two more trades, and it's very what's the word? Um, I didn't expect to lose so many trades, especially with the other strategy that I use because it's such a high win rate. But I've been making my decision making hasn't been that great, should I say? I guess I'm gonna have a look. I haven't checked why I've been losing a lot this week, but I'm gonna sort this out after I make this video and find out why. Basically, I've been taking so many losses. So to start the day, I took a trade on OddCAD, which kind of looked. This works. Hold on. With the other strategy, I took it and basically it looked good, but when I think about it, I just the bias was to go long, so I'm not sure exactly why I took the short. Um, like my overall bias should have been long. So I entered here, this candle here. Couple of mistakes. First of all, was that um, there's this big wick here, which is not good. I'd always want to enter after the wick or whatever. So I should have entered that if price broke this line. I should have been looking for long anyway. So if I was going to enter long, it would have to be here. So I lost that trade. Meanwhile, I was waiting for this to play up, which is a very good trade. This trade is so good. I have no issues with this trade. I only entered a little bit too early here. As you guys see, let me zoom in so you guys can see. You can see it's a flag, one touch, two touch, three touch. I entered a bit earlier, should have entered the next candle. But regardless, I'll tell you why this is a really good trade. So we got this flag here, yeah. We got a potential reversal flag as well, if you draw that. And on the 4 hour, you'll be able to see that there's a big 1, 2, 3 big potential flag here that lines up really nice to where I had, like, as you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and another one, 5 resistance zones there. So man, this is a very good trade, but you can't win them all. I'd say this is a 10 out of 10 trade for me. 10 out of 10 setup. Just the entry was a bit late, but 10 out of 10 setup. Just didn't play out this time, unfortunately. But yeah, so those are the two trades I took. Disappointing because obviously now I have quite a big mountain to climb. I guess it just makes it sweeter. I now have to get 11% to pass the verification, which should have only been, 5. But yeah, I need to really have a look at the mistakes I did. Perhaps make some rules on my plan so to avoid this happening again. Yeah, I mean, I'm confident I'll get it back. It's just I need to find out what I've been doing wrong because this is not normal for me to lose. One of the things we lost we missed two flags earlier this week, so that's one thing. The next thing is I believe one of the flag trades yesterday was to do with the news, so we adjusted that by extending the hours between trades in news to 8 hours instead of 6 hours instead of 4. The third thing I believe is that I haven't been trading towards my bias, which is usually correct. I haven't been trading the bias in regards to these red black lines that you guys see. For example, once price breaks the red line, I know, yeah, that's gonna come back to the 50, as you guys can see. I don't know exactly when, but I'll be looking for reversals like these, you know, for price to then go up to the 50. End of the week, price tends to break these red lines again. Now, that's the difficult part. I don't know which way it's going to go. So obviously, if there's a reversal here, it tells me that there's most likely chance that it's going to come down and break this red line. But yeah, I mean, in terms of flags, there weren't a lot. There was not a lot at all. There's about 4, maybe 5 flags. 2 of them I missed, which were really good ones. And yeah, I'm just gonna have to have a look, guys, and find out. I can't tell you what the issue is yet, but so far we got staying on the computer. Don't leave the computer from 8 to 4. Don't leave the computer until afterwards, I guess. No, sorry, don't leave the computer for any longer than an hour, or assume it's a setup. 2 is if there's news, because today actually, if you look at the CAD, there was CAD news, but it was 6 hours after. Like the CAD news was at 1, and I entered this trade at like 7, or just after 7 or something. And you can see price just consolidates like until the news. It's really annoying actually. So I really need to stay away from that. And this week there was quite a lot of news, which is really annoying. Um, I would have gone long. I'll show you guys. I would have gone long here. Okay, once price broke this red line. But there was news all the way until like 9 or something, you know, Euro news until 9. So that's just like shit, you know what I mean? So when there's news, it just really messes up with everything. Like I would have, I'm not sure that what else I would have done, to be honest. But yeah, this is another trade I should have taken, perhaps. But I was waiting for NJ. Yeah, it's difficult. It's difficult, you know. I mean, minus 6%. It's a test, you know, because at the end of the day, once I have the account, there will be weeks or months where I'm in drawdown and I need to be able to get back into it. I've done it before, you know. One trade at a time, you know, just have to take one day at a time, one trade at a time, and I'll be there basically. Just need to find out what the mistakes I did, avoid them. Obviously, certain things you just, you know, we messed up the probabilities because we weren't on the desk and all of that sort, you know. Just gotta make sure I'm on the right side of the trade. That's it. So yeah, guys, that's everything for today. This whole week, I'm minus 6%, I guess. Unless you count the 1% I made in the challenge, so that's minus 5%. Which is actually really bad when you say it like that. But yeah, I mean, did I break any rules? Did I break any rules? No, but it's the most I've lost in a while. I have to say, I'm not used to losing so many like this. In a row, I'm not exactly sure. I can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 flags that I've lost in a row. So just this week. So yeah, not good, not good, not good, not good. Every single flag that I took. 2 of them I can see here on my other screen that I wrote I would have taken it any day, blah blah blah, I would have taken it day as well. The other one was I took out before I hit stop loss, I should have left it. And the other one was the news that took me out and then went to the profit. So bad decision making as well. But yeah, it is what it is, you know, guys. Next week, I always at the start of the week I'm always strong. I know where price is gonna go, so we'll have a good bias and everything's gonna be sorted out. Don't worry. All right. So yeah, just keep tuning into the this. This has really become a challenge now. You know, if we thought that the previous one, the actual challenge was a challenge, nah, the challenge is this one right now. So yeah, guys. All right, take care. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, and I'll see you guys on Monday.